Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is mùi, coal, mùi, mùi, coal。個國家仲有好大個煤炭業。The country still has a large coal industry. 個國家仲有好大個煤炭業。氣 gas 氣 gas 煤氣爐 gas heater 煤氣爐紡織品 textile 紡織品紡織品 textile 設計人員設計咗一種新嘅紡織品。The designers have created a new textile. 設計人員設計咗一種新嘅紡織品。電 electricity 電 electricity 太陽能電 solar electricity 太陽能電輸入 input 輸入input 輸入數據 data input 輸入數據漁業 fishing 漁業fishing 漁業係世界上最危險嘅行業其中之一。Fishing is one of the most dangerous industries in the world. 漁業係世界上最危險嘅行業其中之一。旅遊業 tourism 旅遊業旅遊業 tourism 好多度假勝地嘅主要收入都依賴旅遊業。Many resort destinations rely on tourism for most of their income. 好多度假勝地嘅主要收入都依賴旅遊業。出口 export 出口export 美國出口食品到世界各地。The United States exports food products around the world. 美國出口食品到世界各地。進口 import 進口 import 進口貨品 import goods 進口貨品車 automobile 車 automobile 架車轉緊右 The automobile is turning right 架車轉緊右 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say coal? 煤 And how to say gas? 氣 What about textile? 紡織品 Do you remember how to say electricity? 電 Let's try input. 輸入 What about fishing? 漁業 Now, let's see if you remember how to say tourism. 旅遊業 Another one. What about export? 出口 Do you remember how to say import? 進口 And finally, do you remember how to say automobile? 車 Well done! See you next time. 再見